Welcome to Techstination. Joining us is Gloria Lopez-Gil, Public Relations Manager at a company called Tapplock, Tapplock. Thanks for joining us, Gloria.
Oh, thanks for having me, Fred.
For people who aren't familiar with the company, give us a little background.
Yeah, no problem. So Tapplock is a smart fingerprint padlock. We created the first one that's on the market. You can add 500 fingerprints with our lock. It functions with your fingerprint, so all through biometrics. You can also connect it through our app, through Bluetooth, and you can also unlock it with Morse code. It's fully functional outdoors, indoors, and you can share access remotely to all the people around you.
And how did it come about? Give us the story behind the company, what you can.
So we started probably back in around 2016. We just decided on, exploring a new concept where we had a lot of people using padlocks, and it's always this day in and day out where you lose your keys, you forget the combinations, and then you have to replace the locks. That's become a headache for us as padlock users, so we decided to create Tapplock. And here we are today. So it took a lot of trials and errors, and now we have two new products that we are bringing to CES, and just super excited.
Right, CES 2019, about to get underway. So tell us what it is that you're announcing there.
So we're bringing with us to CES 2019 Tapplock One Plus. It's a whole redesigned, revamped version of our initial Tapplock One. With our Tapplock One Plus, we've really focused in on enhancing the waterproofness. So we've got an IP67 rating. So essentially, the lock can be submerged underwater. We'll have live demos going on in our booth, so you can come take a visit. As well, we'll be releasing our Tapplock Lite. Our Tapplock Lite is a smaller version of our Tapplock One. It's super sleek, super light. It holds 100 fingerprints for multiple users. It's definitely a more indoor lock, on-the-go type of lifestyle padlock. And then the last thing that we're bringing out to CES with us is our Tapplock Enterprise platform. So it's made for businesses of all sizes. It's essentially a management platform, and it works with the Tapplock One Plus. And so businesses are allowed to set permissions for users. You can track employees, the way they've used it and their access history, and you can also export audit reports.
Tell us about the pricing and availability.
So Tapplock One Plus comes in 3 different colors: our standard, our sterling silver, our gunmetal, and our midnight black. Tapplock One Plus goes for $99, and we also have some bundle packages on our website. And then Tapplock Lite is available in another 3 colors. So we've got an electric yellow, an ash black, and a flame red, and those go for $59. We also have bundle packages for the Tapplock Lite as well, so you can always take a look on our website.
Are they available now, all of the products?
So Tapplock One Plus is available right now. We are on a high demand order, so get your orders in. With Tapplock Lite, it is on a pre-sale right now. We're expecting all of our shipments to come out early January.
Very interesting. Step us through the setup real quick, if you can, on what consumers should know.
Yeah, for sure. So the setup to get your lock all in functioning state is you pretty much will have to download our app. It's available through the Apple Store or through the Play Store. You download your app. You pretty much will have to pair the lock through Bluetooth through the app, and then you can add your fingerprint to the lock itself. It's a pretty simple walkthrough step by step. It's probably about 2 to 3 minutes to get your fingerprint enrolled. Once it's enrolled, you necessarily don't need to use the app. The app is used for pretty much management. So if you need to remove a fingerprint, you can always do that with the app. Or if you need to check the remaining battery life, that can always be done through the app as well.
For more info, where do we go?
Check out www.tapplock.com.
And it's spelled with 2 P's, Tapplock. Gloria Lopez-Gil, thanks for taking the time with us.
Oh, no problem. Thanks so much for having me, Fred. It was great.